Hey guys, I am about to unbox my WCW copy, VHS copy that I won from eBay. Here's the package. I'm about to show you guys my VHS copy. I know what it is. You guys don't. It is STARRCADE. 1990, I think it's 98 or 90. I think that's supposed to be STARRCADE. Yeah, STARRCADE 98. Yeah, it was STARRCADE 99 or 97. I can't remember. It's STARRCADE. I think it's STARRCADE 98. But when I ordered it, it said a misprint. But here it is. It's from a video store. A video store from Newburgh. Video update. Newburgh, New York. The number is 564-7272. Right, I'm sorry guys, here's the number. I don't know what the area code is in New York, but I know this video place probably went out of business. I used to love going to video stores to get wrestling tapes. This was with Sting versus Hulk Hogan. Can't wait to watch this. You guys have a great day. Have fun, take care, and... Oh, wait. I'm sorry guys. It is STARRCADE 1997. It is a misprint. See? Right there. There's a misprint right there. This is STARRCADE 1997. I'm sorry. The guy was right. Well, the thing was right. 1997. It's right. Let me take the camera. Right. Nope. Oh, well. Yeah, right there. You guys see it? STARRCADE 1997. Alright, you guys have a good day. Have fun. And take care.